Leftovers always taste better the next day. It's a common saying by Grandma that leftovers taste better the next day, and there's some truth to it. When food sits overnight, the flavors have time to meld and intensify, often resulting in a more delicious meal. Refrigeration allows the ingredients to absorb each other's tastes, enhancing the overall flavor profile. So when you have leftovers, resist the urge to eat them right away and savor them the next day for a delightful culinary experience. Use vodka to remove musty smells from clothing or upholstery. Did you know that vodka can be a surprisingly effective deodorizer for fabrics? The alcohol in vodka kills odor-causing bacteria, making it ideal for freshening up musty clothing or upholstery. Just spritz a little vodka onto the fabric and let it air dry. The alcohol evaporates quickly, taking the musty smell with it, and leaves no lingering odor of its own. It's a simple, chemical-free solution that's perfect for items that can't easily be washed. Saline rinse for stuffy noses. A saline rinse is a natural remedy that works wonders for stuffy noses. By mixing salt and water, you create a solution that gently flushes out mucus and allergens from nasal passages, reducing congestion. It's especially helpful for colds, allergies, or sinus issues. With easy-to-make recipes and quick application, saline rinses offer fast relief without needing medication. This simple solution provides an effective way to breathe easier and soothe irritated sinuses. Buy the biggest cutting board you can for easier meal prep. A large cutting board can improve your meal prep. Having ample space for chopping, dicing, and slicing ingredients without constant rearranging saves time and effort. You'll avoid messes and keep everything more organized while working. Plus, with more surface area, there's less risk of accidentally spilling or overcrowding. Opting for the biggest cutting board that fits your kitchen not only speeds up your workflow, but also makes meal preparation more enjoyable. Treat sprains with cold compresses and rest. A cold compress and rest are key to treating a sprain. Applying a cold pack to the affected area helps reduce swelling and numbs pain, while rest prevents further injury. Be sure to elevate the sprained limb to encourage blood flow and reduce inflammation. Cold compresses should be applied in 15 to 20-minute intervals for the first few days. Combined with rest, this method promotes faster healing and recovery. Avoid overplucking your eyebrows. Overplucking your eyebrows can lead to sparse, uneven brows that may take months to grow back. Instead, aim to maintain their natural shape by only removing stray hairs. Use small, gentle strokes to avoid taking off too much at once, and keep the process gradual. If you're unsure of your brow shape, try filling them in before plucking to see where hair should stay. Less is often more when it comes to grooming eyebrows. Chamomile tea for relaxation. Chamomile tea is a timeless remedy for relaxation. Known for its soothing properties, chamomile contains compounds that help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. Sipping a warm cup of chamomile before bed can calm the mind and body, preparing you for a restful night. It's also gentle on the stomach and can relieve mild digestive discomfort. With its calming effects, chamomile tea is an easy, natural way to unwind after a long day. Mix butter and soy sauce for added flavor in savory dishes. Enhance your savory dishes by combining butter and soy sauce. The rich creaminess of butter pairs beautifully with the umami depth of soy sauce, creating a flavorful boost to everything from vegetables to meats. This simple combination adds a velvety texture and a savory kick that elevates your dish without needing many ingredients. Try it on sautéed mushrooms, steak, or even steamed rice for a quick and delicious flavor upgrade. Clean a musty closet by hanging up some chalk in an old sock to absorb moisture. If your closet smells musty, chalk can help. Chalk naturally absorbs moisture, which helps prevent the buildup of mildew and odors. Simply place a few pieces of chalk in an old sock and hang it in the closet. Over time, it will soak up excess humidity, leaving your space fresher and drier. Use mayonnaise instead of butter for grilled cheese. For a perfectly golden, crispy grilled cheese, try swapping butter for mayonnaise. Mayonnaise spreads more evenly and has a higher smoke point, helping the bread brown more consistently without burning. The result is a crisp, flavorful crust with a rich, creamy interior. Plus, the slight tang from the mayo adds an extra layer of flavor. Next time you're craving grilled cheese, reach for the mayo for a delicious twist on a classic. Bandage a sprained ankle by wrapping firmly from the toes upward. When bandaging a sprained ankle, the key is to start wrapping firmly from the toes upward. This method provides stable support to the ankle while helping to reduce swelling. Keep the wrap snug but not too tight, ensuring proper circulation. Wrapping from the toes also helps anchor the bandage, preventing it from slipping. Combine this with rest, ice, and elevation for an effective way to treat and support a sprained ankle. Freshen up stuffed animals by sprinkling them with cornstarch. Stuffed animals can trap dust and odors, but cornstarch offers a simple solution. Sprinkle cornstarch over the surface of the toy and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The cornstarch absorbs dirt, oils, and odors, leaving the stuffed animal fresh and clean. Afterward, just brush off the excess with a soft cloth or shake it out. Garlic for ear infections. Garlic's natural antimicrobial properties make it a go-to remedy by Grandma for mild ear infections. Garlic oil or crushed garlic can help soothe ear pain and fight infection when applied carefully in small amounts. Simply warm garlic-infused oil, then apply a few drops into the affected ear for relief. While this method can be effective for minor cases, it's always best to consult a doctor if symptoms persist or worsen to ensure proper treatment. Freeze mozzarella for easier grating. Have you ever struggled with soft mozzarella sticking to the grater? Try freezing it first. Grating frozen mozzarella makes the cheese firmer and easier to handle, allowing for smoother, more even shreds. This trick works especially well when preparing pizzas, salads, or casseroles that call for finely grated cheese. Pop the mozzarella in the freezer for about 20 minutes before grating, and you'll notice how much easier and quicker the task becomes. Cold milk compress for sunburns. Sunburned skin needs soothing, and cold milk is a surprisingly effective remedy. The proteins and fats in milk help reduce inflammation, while the cool temperature brings instant relief. Soak a soft cloth in cold milk, wring it out, and gently apply it to the affected areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Saltwater gargle for sore throats. A saltwater gargle is one of the oldest and most effective remedies for a sore throat. The salt helps reduce swelling, loosens mucus, and flushes out irritants from the throat. To make the solution, dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle for 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Repeat several times a day for relief. It's a quick, natural way to soothe throat pain without needing medication. Freeze Parmesan rinds for adding depth to sauces and soups. Don't throw away Parmesan rinds. Freeze them instead. These leftover bits are packed with flavor and can add a rich, umami depth to sauces, soups, and stews. Grandma would simply toss a frozen rind into the pot while cooking and let it melt down to infuse the dish with a savory, cheesy essence. It's a clever way to reduce waste and make your recipes even more flavorful with minimal effort. Don't let others' opinions control you. Stand up for yourself. It's easy to let others' opinions affect your choices, but learning to stand up for yourself is essential. Grandma said that no one knows your needs, values, and goals better than you do. Instead of seeking approval, trust your instincts and be confident in your decisions. When you let go of the fear of judgment, you gain freedom and control over your life. Standing up for yourself is key to living authentically and confidently. Use a potato ricer for perfect mashed potatoes. If you want smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes, A potato ricer is your best friend. This tool gently presses the potatoes, creating a light, even texture without overworking the starch. Unlike traditional mashing, which can lead to gluey results, a ricer ensures each potato is perfectly fluffy. It's especially useful for achieving restaurant-quality mashed potatoes with minimal effort. For the creamiest results, add butter and warm milk after ricing for luxurious texture. Clean, cloudy drinking glasses with a rinse of white vinegar and newspaper. Cloudy drinking glasses can be easily restored with a rinse of white vinegar and newspaper. The acidity of vinegar breaks down the minerals causing the haze, while newspaper acts as a gentle scrubber that won't leave scratches. Simply soak the glasses in vinegar for a few minutes, then wipe them with the crumpled newspaper to polish them back to their sparkling best. Prevent a collar stud from slipping with a piece of paper under it. Are you annoyed by a collar stud that keeps slipping? A simple fix is to place a small piece of paper under it. This added layer creates enough friction to hold the stud securely in place. Cut the paper to fit neatly under the stud, ensuring it remains hidden while keeping the stud from sliding. It's a quick and clever solution to a common wardrobe problem, especially when you need everything to stay perfectly in place. Use a slice of stale bread to pick up dust from hard-to-reach corners. Dusty corners can be tricky to clean, but a slice of stale bread can help. The texture of the bread makes it perfect for picking up dust and dirt from tight spaces. Simply press the slice into corners, crevices, or along baseboards, and watch it lift away the dust. This eco-friendly trick is especially useful when a vacuum or duster can't reach those hard-to-clean areas. Plus, it's an excellent way to use up old bread. Open a bottle without a corkscrew by pushing the cork in. No corkscrew? No problem. If you need to open a bottle, simply push the cork into the bottle. Using the back of a wooden spoon or any sturdy object, press firmly until the cork slides in. While it may not be the most elegant solution, it works in a pinch when you're caught without a proper opener. Just be sure to pour carefully to avoid any floating cork pieces in your drink. Use kitchen shears for cutting food like ribs and vegetables. Kitchen shears are a versatile tool that can make cutting food faster and easier. From trimming ribs to chopping vegetables, they offer precision and control that knives don't always provide. Shears are perfect for tasks like cutting through tough meat or quickly snipping herbs. They're also safer than knives in some cases, allowing for a firm grip and steady handling. Keep a pair of kitchen shears handy for various food prep tasks. Clean your drains by pouring in a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, followed by boiling water. Clogged drains are a hassle, but a simple mixture of baking soda and vinegar can help clear them. Pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Let it bubble for about 10 minutes to break down buildup. Then flush the drain with boiling water to wash away the residue. This natural method helps keep your pipes clear without harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. Salt pasta water like the ocean for enhanced flavor. Do you want a tastier pasta? Salt your cooking water generously like the ocean. This adds flavor to the pasta itself, not just the sauce. Since pasta absorbs water as it cooks, the salt penetrates and seasons it from within. Don't worry about over-salting. Most of it will stay in the water. It's a small step that makes a big difference, turning bland noodles into a flavorful base for any dish you're preparing. Prevent glasses from steaming by rubbing with soap. Steamy glasses can be frustrating, especially when cooking or drinking hot beverages. A quick solution is to rub a tiny amount of soap onto the lenses and then wipe it off with a clean cloth. The soap creates a thin, invisible layer that helps prevent fog from forming. This trick is great for both regular glasses and sunglasses, especially during temperature changes or while wearing masks in cold weather. A quick fix today avoids big repairs tomorrow. Small problems have a way of turning into big ones if left unattended. Whether it's a leaky faucet or a loose doorknob, addressing minor issues as soon as they arise can save time and money in the long run. Regular maintenance and timely fixes prevent wear and tear from becoming costly repairs. It's a simple principle. A little effort today can help you avoid more significant problems tomorrow. Measure with your hand by estimating inches from thumb to finger. Do you need a quick measurement tool? Your hand can be a handy guide. The average distance between the tip of your thumb and the tip of your pinky when your hand is spread wide is roughly 8 to 9 inches. You can use this as a rough reference to estimate lengths or distances when a ruler isn't available. It's an old trick by Grandma that help in everyday tasks or when doing projects on the go. Don't trust your memory, jot things down. Even the best memory can fail when juggling multiple tasks or ideas. Writing things down is a simple but powerful habit to stay organized and avoid forgetting important details. Whether it's a grocery list, an appointment, or an idea, putting it on paper ensures you won't overlook it later. Plus, the act of writing helps reinforce memory. Instead of relying on your brain alone, a quick note can save you time and stress. Remove coffee stains from ceramic cups with a paste of salt and vinegar. Coffee stains can leave your favorite ceramic mugs looking dingy, but a paste of salt and vinegar works wonders. The coarse salt acts as a gentle scrub, while the vinegar's acidity helps break down the stubborn stains. Mix them together, apply the paste to the stained areas, and scrub with a sponge. Rinse thoroughly afterward, and your mugs will look fresh and clean without any lingering discoloration. Onion socks for fevers. An old remedy by Grandma for reducing fevers involves placing sliced onions in your socks. The idea is that the onion's natural properties help draw out toxins and improve circulation. Simply place a few slices against the soles of your feet, pull on a pair of socks, and leave them on overnight. While it may sound unusual, many people swear by this technique for relieving fevers and boosting immune function during illness. Pain in one area may come from tightness elsewhere. Stretch accordingly. Body pain isn't always where it seems. Tightness in one area can cause discomfort elsewhere, so it's essential to stretch accordingly. For example, lower back pain may stem from tight hamstrings, or neck tension could be caused by tight shoulders. Stretching the related muscles can alleviate pain more effectively than focusing only on the sore spot. Understanding how your body is connected helps you treat pain and prevent future discomfort. Peppermint oil for headaches. Peppermint oil is a natural remedy known for its ability to relieve headaches. Its cooling effect helps relax tight muscles and improve circulation, which can reduce the intensity of headache pain. Apply a few drops of diluted peppermint oil to your temples and massage gently. The menthol in peppermint creates a soothing sensation, offering quick relief. It's an easy, natural solution to keep on hand when headaches strike. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.